Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Smart Wallet and Me, where financial wisdom matters. In today's video, I want to do another update on the bill that was supposed to pass on S.945 that was supposed to be passed by the House of Representatives. It had already passed the Senate, but we were waiting to see if the House of Representatives were going to pass the act. And then it looks like the act has already been passed because they had a meeting today and for 40 minutes, and it looks like the House of Representatives have voted by voice, which means that there was no objection to this act, and it has already been passed according to some information that I have received from Twitter, of all places. So let's get right into it, and let me show you what I have found. So guys, I went to the Twitter page of Republican Cloakroom, and you can see right here that they have a feed right here that says that S.945 passed by voice. And if you look at the congress.gov website, it still has not been updated. It still shows that the Senate has passed the bill, but it has not been approved by the House yet. But according to this Twitter, it has been passed by voice. And it just means that basically it says that a vote by voice is the regular method of voting on any motion that does not require more than a majority vote for its adoption. So basically they just got on the majority vote and it has already passed, and it looks like the website needs to be updated. So what does this mean for the average person investing in like EV stocks, Alibaba, JD.com, and other Chinese companies? So now what's left is for the president to sign off on this. And if the president signs off on this, which would probably be Trump, if he has enough time to sign it off. Otherwise, we would have to wait until Biden does the signing off, if he ever does. So it depends on who does the signing off, then it becomes law. But let's just assume that it does get passed and it does get approved and it becomes law. What does it mean for Chinese stocks? There's nothing to really worry about yet because China still has 3 years to comply to the audit regulations that the US is asking for, just to make sure that these companies are solvent and they're not lying on the books to show that they're actually making more sales and they have more revenue than they actually do. So what this means is that China would have 3 years to allow the American auditors to come and review their books to make sure that these companies are actually telling the truth. And it's a very basic audit. It's not going to be rigorous as the audits that are done in the United States. However, it is still something that should be done because it would give peace of mind to the average investor to know that they're actually investing in something that is being reported accurately. And it depends on who wins the presidency. If Trump does, probably there will be a little bit more backlash from the Beijing government to see if they will comply or not. But if Biden becomes the president, then most likely they will try to do some reconciliation and try to build a reputable agreement to come to a conclusion to say that, you know what, we will comply with this and it shouldn't be a big deal. However, given the fact that this news will come out soon, you heard it first right here, guys. And if you guys are enjoying this video, please give me a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe for more videos and more content like this. I would greatly appreciate it. But once the news goes out, you can be certain that it's going to cause a lot of negative news and a lot of people are going to be afraid and they're going to sell off. They're going to sell the stocks and EV stocks and Alibaba, JD.com, Tencent, and all these other Chinese companies. And it's going to create a lot of hysteria. But if you're the wise and smart investor, you will know that you would want to, just wait a little bit until things settle down and wait until the news comes out and let everybody sell whoever wants to sell. And then once they sell, you can probably go and buy at a discount because I don't think it's going to be such a big deal where all these companies are going to be delisted from the US exchanges. And even if they do, you can still buy over the counter. And it may not be the best way because the volume will probably go down because only certain brokerages will be able to sell these types of stocks, like big names like Vanguard, Fidelity, Schwab, and things like that. But the average broker may not sell you these stocks once they get delisted. So that will reduce the volume tremendously. That's the worst case scenario, and you will probably see the value of those stocks going down. However, the likelihood of that happening might be very, very slim to none. But you may want to take advantage of this situation of the fear and hysteria that when the price goes down, maybe it would be a good time to actually jump in and start buying these stocks additionally on sale. That's my opinion. That would be my guess of what I would probably be doing. But you guys, let me know what your thoughts are. And hopefully once this thing gets updated on the website, I will let you guys see what's going to happen. And once it does, I'll update my video and show you guys in reality based on the formal congress.gov website. But right now I'm using the actual Twitter from the Republican cloakroom to say that this has actually passed, because they have people on the ground and they're probably already tweeting this information out, and it hasn't been updated yet by the website. Please like this video, subscribe, like, and pass it along to anybody who may find this information useful. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.